Alright, in this video I'm going to walk through how to get Miniconda set up on OSX. I prefer Miniconda over Anaconda because Miniconda is a bit lighter weight, so you only install the packages you need to, so it downloads faster, and then you're not wasting time downloading a bunch of extra packages you'll never use. I'll include the link in the description, but go ahead and go to conda.io/miniconda.html to get to this page. We are running OSX, so we'll want to make sure we grab an OSX installer. We have another choice to make now, Python 3.7 or 2.7. We're going to want to use Python 3.7. This is modern Python. We don't really want to develop any new projects on 2.7, and in the event you need Python 2.7, we can still use our Python 3.7 Miniconda version to create a Python 2.7 environment. So we want Python 3.7. We're offered a choice between a bash installer and a package installer, and I think the package installer is a little easier to use if you're not familiar with bash. So go ahead and select to open the file with the installer. It will download really quickly and give us our installation window. We can just continue. Make sure to really carefully read this. Just kidding. Bunch of license stuff. We need to agree to the terms and choose the install location. Make sure to select install for me only. This way we don't have to worry about messing this up for any other users, and then everything's contained inside a home folder where we don't have to use sudo. It's much more convenient to install for me only. Go ahead and select install. Now we wait for it to install, which is relatively quickly since, again, it's very lightweight and is very minimal. And we can delete the installer. Okay, so now we want to know if we were successful. You can hit Command Space to bring up the Spotlight search and type in terminal, which is the application we're going to use to check to see if things are installed correctly. And if we type which Python, we should see in our Python path Miniconda3. This lets us know that we successfully installed Miniconda. We should also be able to run conda and get some output of the conda command. So if those two things are both true, and I'll walk through them again, which Python, we should see Miniconda3, and if we run the conda command with the help argument, we should get a printout of how to use that command. So that lets us know that we have everything working, and if we just run Python, we're dropped into a Python terminal, and you can see that our Python version is 3.7, and it is the Anaconda distribution. And in future videos, we'll cover things such as how to set up Jupyter notebooks and install Python packages.